We will be starting the first chapter of class 7 that talks
Hello
about
students, I am your
equality.
SST
The
teacher.
first
So
topic
today
that
we
we are
will start
facing
our
is
new chapter of history. India is a democratic country and we have all equal rights. Under the Constitution of India, each and every citizen have equal right. Therefore, there is a lot difference in practice and theory. Let's begin the chapter with a story of Kanta and Sujata.
Kanta is a domestic worker. She has gone to vote. She is standing in a queue and is waiting for her turn like others. She is happy that she is equal to all of others because each of them lies with one vote. It gave her a good feeling that even wealthy and influential person are standing in the queue. It shows that everyone is equal before the law. No one can be discriminated.
After discussing the
And
story of
equality is one
Kanta,
of
we
the
are
pillars of
understood
Indian
that
democracy.
the democratic country like India, where all the citizens have equal right, whether he belongs to which religion or what education he have had, and whether he is from poor or rich family, all are allowed to vote. So it is also written in the Universal Adult Franchises. So now we will see what the Universal Adult Franchises says.
According to the Universal Adult Franchisee, one of the most remarkable features of Indian democracy is that from the very beginning, the Constitution of India gave the citizen of the country universal adult franchisee. This has enabled all the citizens of voting age to irrespective of caste, religion, wealth, or sex. In many other democratic countries, including UK and the USA, some sections of the population, such as the
As
poor
we were
and the
discussing
women,
about
have
Kanta
got
story,
voting
that
rights
she
after
was
long
very
period
delighted
of
to know
struggle.
the line where she is standing to cast her vote. The in behind of her, his employer is there. Then, but what happened at the end of the day? She become less certain of about the equality. What is it that makes Kanta ensure? Let's take a look.
As Kanta lives in a slum and has a drain behind her house. Her daughter is sick, but she cannot take her the day off from work because she needs to borrow money from her employers to take her child to the doctor. Her job as a domestic help tries her out, and finally she ends her day by again standing in a long line. This line in front of the government hospital is unlike the one in the morning because most of the people standing in it are poor. Then she thought, Mr. Jain and Mr. Jain Sahab may stand in the line to vote,
Let's
but
talk
they never
about the
have to
other
do it
kinds of
when their
equality.
children
Kanta
are
is
sick.
one of people who live in a democratic country and have equal right to vote, but her lifestyle and her working condition is far from equal. Alright, and apart from being poor, people in India, they experience different type of inequalities in different ways. Let's understand with the true story of the people, and in fact it is a real story that reflect the India and the existence of inequality in India. Let's begin with our first story, that is of Om Prakash Balmiki, a Dalit writer. Okay, Om Prakash Balmiki was a Dalit writer and he wrote his autobiography, that is Juthan. In the Juthan, he wrote that I had to sit away from the others in the class, and that too on the floor. The mat ran out before reaching the spot I sat on. Sometimes I would have to sit way behind everybody, right near the door. Sometimes they would beat me without any reason. The Om Prakash Balmiki, when he was in 4th class, and his headmaster asked him to sweep the whole playground. Om Prakash was made to sweep the whole ground and the school for the next couple of days, and this came to an end after his father came and taken him from the school.
Dalit. This is the lowest class of the caste system called untouchable. This name is given because at the point they were known to be the dirtiest people in the system and they were not fit to be touched. If a Brahman priest touches an untouchable, he or she must go through a ritual in which the pollution is washed away. But in Article 15 that talks about prohibition of discrimination.
So here is our new story, that is of Mr. and Mrs. Ansari, who were Muslims and they were looking for an apartment on rent, and they asked the property dealer to find a room, apartment for them. And then after searching along, they found that they were reluctant and they were denied on the basis of their religion, and as they were Muslim. So the property dealer, he asked Mr. and Mrs. Ansari to change their religion, the name they belong to, and then he said keep Mr. and Mrs. Kumar. They were reluctant, and in the end, after searching a whole month, they found an apartment on rent. By these two stories of Om Prakash Balmiki and Mr. and Mr. Ansari, who are being treated unequally on the basis of their difference of their caste and religion. So we have understood by this that the caste we born into, the religion we practice, the caste background we come from, whether we are male or female, these are the things often determine that why we are treating unequally.
What is the meaning of equality? Equality in India. India is a democratic country and all its citizens have equal voting rights. But are we really equal? You read the story of Kanta and Om Prakash Balmiki and Mr. and Mrs. Ansari. In India, there are millions of people like them for whom
so, when persons are treated unequally, their dignity is violated. It means the dignity of the Om Prakash Balmiki and Mr. and Mrs. Ansari was violated by their caste and by the religion. The Mr. Balmiki, who was asked by his headmaster to sweep the school and the background, the classmates and the headmaster who have violated his dignity very badly and made him feel as he was less than the equal than the other schoolmates of his school. Mr. and Mrs. Ansari was also hurt and their dignity also violated because the people they denied to give them the apartment on lease, and it was their dignity that when the property dealer asked him to change their name and their caste, their religion, so it was their dignity that they refused to change their religion. So by this we can say Om Prakash Balmiki and Mr. and Mrs. Ansari do not deserve the same, but they deserve the respect and the dignity that anyone's deserve. That's all for this video. Now we will meet in our next class with the new topic, inequality in Indian democracy. Till then, stay happy, stay safe.